This is StoryBuy. Say you found a killer recipe for guacamole that you want to share. You're planning a big vacation and want inspiration for a perfect trip. Or you want to ask the community a question about that latest fad diet. Imagine being able to express your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in conversations with a community that'll always hear you out and get paid for your contributions. StoryBuy can do this for you. Here's how it works. You can browse through various stories, upvote your favorites so others can see them, and weigh in by commenting, all without an account. You can sign up with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus accounts, or your email address. With your StoryBuy account, you can create content about any topic. Simply write your story and then add the extras. A compelling headline, relevant links and photos, and finish off by choosing a different template for your story. If you're uncertain of where your story belongs, StoryBuy will know where to put it. Once you're done, your story will go live within StoryBuy. Plus, you can share it to your Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus communities. The best part? StoryBuy rewards those users that contribute to the quality of content. It can be a commercial link to a merchant site that generates commissions, an upvoted story, or a story that's shared by the community. Everyone can get paid. StoryBuy gives anyone and everyone a voice, bringing the power of content and recommendations back to the people. It's like the world's biggest magazine, and it features you. Start exploring your passions today.